Okay, this is just a new bike check. I'm running the Animal Edwin grips. I cut the flanges off. I just ordered flangeless ones. Anyways, Animal Edwin PC bar ends. They just come with the grips. I'm running the Odyssey Aaron Ross space bars. They're pretty big, and I'm only like 5'4", so they're actually like huge. I'm running the Sputnic realm stem with a Miracle compression bolt. Comes with hollow bolts. It's a pretty good stem for the price. Sputnic integrated headset with a Black Label M3, whatever it's called, fork. My front tire is a Maxxis Grifter 2.10 with bond tracker tubes, front and rear. My front hub is an Odyssey Vendero 2 front hub laced to a Odyssey Quadrant 36-hole double wall rim, and I have a Sputnic hammer peg up front. I'm running the Black Label pivotal seat. It came with the grips, no, the bar ends and the pedals, but the bar ends kind of sucked. They broke in like a day, and it's bolted to a Sputnic pivotal post that you can't really see, so it doesn't really matter, but whatever. I'm running Black Label plastic pedals. They're pretty good. I really like them. I got them maybe a year ago, and I've never changed to different pedals. And you know they're good when I came from Hamilton pedals. I'm running the profile cranks with a hollow titanium spindle, Snafu Ola 25T chain wheel with a stolen revolver mid-bottom bracket. My chain is the KMC K710SL. My back wheel is a stolen roulette cassette hub with a 9T driver and a hollow chromoly axle laced to a stolen roulette double wall rim with a Maxxis Grifter folding tire and a bond tracker tube. Sputnic hammer peg. My frame is the Sputnic Space Cobra frame. It's Ben Huck's signature model. I got it with a 20.6-inch top tube. The specs are a heat-treated integrated head tube drilled for gyro tabs, top tube gusset, down tube gusset. That's a double-butted down tube. Heat-treated grindable design mid-bottom bracket with a single-butted seat tube, tapered and externally butted seat stays, 5mm thick heat-treated dropouts, seat stay located removable U-brake mounts, a welded clamp, and my bike weighs 23, no, that's my old bike. My bike weighs 22 pounds, 4 ounces.